Hey guys, if you're encountering error message 277 on Roblox, or you keep getting disconnected, or your client keeps crashing, then stick with me, as in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways you can solve this issue. This is actually a fairly simple one to fix, and the first thing we're going to do is change the DNS servers on our computer. The error is usually related to network issues, so this can increase the speed of your internet in just a few easy steps. You'll need to head to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key, and then we want to type in Control Panel in the search box, and then we want to tap Control Panel. And then from here, we need to click Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing. And then on this left-hand side here, we want to come into Change Adapter Settings. And then you want to right-click on the network that you are using and select Properties. So from these menu options here, you want to tap Internet Protocol version 4 and come into Properties. And then what we want to do in this second part here where it says Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically, we're going to change it to use the following DNS server addresses. And then in here, we just want to put 8888, and for the second one, we want to write 8844. And then we can just press OK to save our changes. Once you've done that, you can relaunch the Roblox app to see if the issue is fixed. Now, if we're still facing the error, then we need to check our internet speed to ensure we meet the minimum Roblox requirements. To do this, we need to open up an internet browser, and we need to head to the URL speedtest.net. And then you just want to select Go. And now Roblox requires a minimum of 4 megabytes per second in order to play the game effectively. So what we're looking for here is basically a download speed of anything above 4 megabytes per second. As you can see here, mine's all good, it's 14 megabytes per second, so we can move on to the next step. So what we're going to do now is a complete clean installation of Roblox. So we first need to come to the Start menu again by pressing the Windows key, and then this time we're going to search for Programs. And then we're just going to tap the Idle Remove Programs. And then in this little search box, we want to type Roblox. And we want to make sure we're selecting the Roblox player. And we're going to come to these three little dots and select Uninstall. Once the app's been completely removed, we can reinstall it again by heading to an internet browser and typing in roblox.com/download. Now select this big download button in the middle here. And then we just want to come to the downloaded file and follow the steps to reinstall the app. Once the Roblox app has been reinstalled, we can then check again to see if the error is resolved. Now, hopefully your issue is fixed, but if you are still facing issues, the last thing we can do is check the Roblox servers to make sure everything is fully operational. To do that, we just need to open up a web browser again and type in status.roblox.com. What you should see here is a green message saying everything operational, but if you do see an error message like this, it basically just means that they're experiencing problems with the server right now, which could cause the error message. The only thing you can do in this situation is wait for Roblox to fix the issue. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. If you are still experiencing an issue, comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. Until next time.